I'm just creating this video to show what I did to plug the filter bypass holes on a Fluval Spec 5 or Fluval Spec 19 or even the 3 which I have here. So what I did was using these takeaway containers. I didn't use the takeaway container, but I could have. I used the plastic lid and used two of these lids to cut I don't know what you want to call it, little walls. So the first one is, obviously you would know there's a little bypass slit just in there. I cut, it's a bit tight, this little piece here with a bit of the edge on it there, so that can just slide in between the filter sponge and sit on top of the little glass divider, plastic divider that's there, and it just sits there blocking that little bypass hole there. So the other one, the main bypass hole that is just there, you can see it just in the reflection, I plugged from the inside. So if I take this out, let me just put that over here. So this piece of plastic here is obviously the lid. I put a little bend at the bottom so that the sponge material pushes it down. It does block the hole a little bit. I could cut some gaps in it to help with the flow, but I don't find it's an issue at the moment. And the same thing, it is just a takeaway container lid. So that goes in there. I'll try to do this with one hand. And that pushes it all the way down so that it covers that hole. That is just a little gap hole there. So that goes in there, and this one goes in here. I didn't want to plug the holes with silicone because I wanted these to be removable just in case I go on holiday and I don't have time to change the water, or I won't be here to change the water or fill up the water. So I hope this helps you with your Fluval Spec tank.